Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I would share with you, and my son's camping very far away with SpongeBob on TV in his tent with his camping toys, so you'll be hearing that in the background. I wanted to show you some of the things I got because, as some of you know, we've been kind of slowly working in the house inside, just like painting and decorating a little bit. As of right now, I found a picture of something that I really liked, and I think it's going to work out really well in the corner of the kitchen that we're working on right now. So I went ahead and started looking for some of the stuff on the picture. Now, given I did not find exactly everything on there, and I wasn't going to, I was hoping to find some of the things on there, but I didn't, and it's okay. I did, however, find some things that could be kind of similar or used in the same manner or purpose. So I have a few things. Now, this is a mixture of stores. I'm gonna go ahead and get through this as quickly as I can so it's not a really long video, and let's go ahead and get started. So I finally went to Big Lots. I gave in and finally looked in there. I didn't find a whole lot of things on there. I ended up walking out with something very simple for just a few dollars, and it says it's cool to be kind. I'm hoping that it won't be too tall and I'll fit in there. If not, I'll repurpose it throughout the house. I have no luck with Ross, so I ended up just getting this from Ross. It's just wire baskets. The following items I got from Target, Marshalls. I saw this and I thought it was so cute. Actually, my son also loved it. He's got the little cute thing on the side, so we ended up taking this with us. And we have, there weren't many of these with different sayings on them, so I was kind of stuck on these. But I got a couple. I got this one, and then I previous day, yes, I had purchased some other ones. So I just grabbed this one, that one. And I also found this plant that I'm going to try to see if I can use on there. I'm hoping it just won't be too tall. And then I was looking for these, and I finally found one. So, and I think this is pretty close, or maybe a little darker than what's on the picture, but and I don't think you can see it on the picture, but there was a table underneath that had one of these with some stuff in it. I have an idea what I want to put in here already. I got this one and a slightly bigger one in case this one's going to be too small, but I'm thinking this would have been fine. The next thing I found was this, and it's really the only thing they had besides this one was this one, which is just slightly bigger. And then I found this one on clearance. So I figure if anything, I'll find a place for it, and I can just turn it like this and you don't have to see the word. I know, silly, but I don't have a jar to fill with that, but I just liked it. Let me get a couple other things out and I'm going to show you what else I got. Now, again, some of these were purchased between Ross, Target, Marshalls. There's a couple of things I still have to purchase online for the shelving. We're going to go to Lowe's and look at some wood, which wood is super crazy expensive right now. You see someone with wood in the back of the truck and you're like, got money. And it's as a joke, but you know, like, don't mind me. Anyways, nonsense. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this real quick. I'm going to clear off all of this off the desk and I'll be right back. This is the rest of the things we got. We really don't drink coffee here, but these were really cute. Again, a lot of this is going to be used one way or another, not necessarily for what's on there, but we're the ones using them. So I found this, which is really cute, and I found this at Target. Target had a whole section just with a bunch of these. I also found this one. It's got the little scoop on the side. And I also found a sugar one. So this I can fill up with sugar though. So I feel like they might go together. We're gonna see how this looks together. If not, I kept receipts. I kept all my receipts to make sure that if it doesn't work out, I can just go ahead and return it. I also found this. Now, it wasn't precisely what I was looking for. The one I really wanted, the one that was on the picture, but I couldn't find it. But I did find this, which kind of will go well together. And then I have found one other plant over there. Go. And then I think this is comparable to the other basket on there, so I found this basket as well. So that's basically everything that so far is going to be somewhat possibly going into these shelves on the corner over there. I already have like a table there, like a rolling cart, like a kitchen rolling cart on there. The only thing is that I don't know if the color is going to go well. We're going to see. I was thinking maybe if that doesn't work out, I can change the color at the top if it's doable, and then just kind of make it work. Because honestly, my goal is to redo and fix within a budget, but still use what we have and make it work, in a sense. So with that being said, I'm watching Sophia because she found the bags on the floor and I need to get her out. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope everyone has a great weekend, and a lot of this, again, you can find it between Marshall's, Target, and the other basket from Ross if you get your hands on one of those. It took me 3 Rosses to get to one of those. So I do have other things, but I'll probably just show them or take pictures when we're done with that corner if it works out, and then I'll show it. But other than that, enjoy your day, have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video.